In this video, I will be reviewing Base44 versus Figma. If you're choosing between Base44 and Figma, you're deciding between building software and designing software. Both tools are widely used in modern product development, but they serve very different roles in the workflow. One focuses on creating backend infrastructure and applications, while the other focuses on designing user interfaces and product experiences. So let's break down the similarities and differences so you can clearly understand which one actually fits your needs. Let's begin with their similarities, and the first one that we have is product creation tools. Both platforms play a role in building digital products. Base44 helps developers build the backend systems that power applications like databases, APIs, and application logic. Figma, on the other hand, helps team designs the visual interface of those applications, including layouts, buttons, and user flows. So while they operate at different stages, both tools contribute to the overall product creation process. The next point that we have is cloud-based platforms. Both tools are fully cloud-based. That means you don't need to install complex software locally or configure development environments just to get started. You can simply open your browser, log in, and begin working immediately. This makes both platforms very accessible for startups, remote teams, and solo builders. The last point we have is team collaboration. Both tools support collaboration across teams. In Base44, developers can work together on backend infrastructure and share project resources, while on the other hand, in Figma, designers, product managers, and developers can collaborate on interface design in real time, leaving comments and making changes together. So both platforms support modern collaborative workflows just for different types of work. Now let's get started with the differences, and the first difference that we have is development versus design. The biggest difference is the core purpose of the platforms. Base44 focuses on backend development, meaning it helps create the system behind an application, things like databases, APIs, and server logic that allows softwares to function. Figma, on the other hand, focuses on UI and UX design, which stands for user interface and user experience. UI refers to the visual elements users interact with, like buttons and layouts, while UX refers to the overall experience of using the product. So, Base44 powers the technical infrastructure, while Figma designs the visual experience. The next point we have is coding versus visual design. Base44 is built more for developers and technical builders. It simplifies backend infrastructure, but it still operates in the world of application development. Figma is a visual design environment where you create interface using frames, components, and layout systems instead of writing code. Designers can prototype entire applications visually before developers ever start building them. Now, the last point we have is role in the product workflow. Base44 typically comes into play when a team is actually building and launching the product. It helps manage application logic, data storage, and backend functionality. Figma is usually used in earlier product processes or stages where when teams are planning the interface or testing design ideas and creating prototypes. In many companies, designers work in Figma first and then developers later build the product using tools like Base44. So here's the key thing to understand. These tools aren't really direct competitors, they serve different roles. If you need a tool to design app interfaces, then create wireframes and add prototype product ideas, then Figma is the clear choice. But if your goal is to build the backend infrastructure and technical systems behind an application, then Base44 is the more relevant platform. So yeah, these are the points that will help you determine whether to select Base44 or Figma depending on your needs. So anyways guys, that will be it for this video. I hope this video helps you guys out, and I will be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.